In this video, I'm gonna show you a profit-making strategy. I've achieved the best result through changing settings of two indicators. This strategy brings profit over 100% in every trade. I've tested like 100 times and attained to a very high win rate. Then I decided to teach this strategy for you. So stay with me to learn this super attractive strategy. First of all, let's see how to get signal from this and to see how it works. Whenever Heikin Ashi candlesticks stand below this red line along with Supertrend indicator gives selling signal, it means the trend is decreasing and we can open a selling trade. I open it here, putting stop loss at the end of the previous ceiling. I set the first target 1-to-1 risk to reward. If it declines again, I'll go along the trade until the end of the trend. This trade made 12% profit until the end of the trend, gave 12.5% profit on a spot mode. If take it with a 10x leverage, it'll be 125% profit. You just observe that we could earn 125% through only one trade. Let's test the buying position using this strategy as well. Look at here, this is exactly where Heikin Ashi candlesticks have cut red line upwards and Supertrend indicator has given signal of entering buying trade in the beginning of the increasing trend. Thus, I open a buying trade here based on the strategy. I set a stop loss here and take target up until the end of the trend. In this case, it gave 15% profit on a spot mode. Error of this strategy is very low. If we took it with a 10x leverage, we could make 150% profit so far. Okay, let's get moving on Ethereum chart to test this strategy there and to see the ability of giving signal of this. We're on the Ethereum chart now on a 15 minutes time frame. Look. Here, candlesticks have stood below the red line and Supertrend indicator has given selling signal at the best spot. It gave 11% profit on a spot mode. Let's see how it has worked in the past. There is a selling signal here and all three conditions are met. This is unbelievable. See where it has given the signal at the best spot possible of the chart. Let's see how much profit it gives us. We can go along the trade until when candlesticks have stood above the red line and set target higher, and you can exit the trade when candlesticks got close to the red line. Profit of this buying position is 15%. This signal has no validity because candlesticks are above the red line. Also, this selling signal doesn't have validity, but this buying signal is fully valid and another correct signal. See how precise this strategy works. None of these signals have hit a stop loss before and all were correct. Let's take a look at the past if there are more correct ones. Yes, there is a buying signal here which has been issued in the direction of the trend. Now let's see how it works in Forex market. At present, I'm on the Euro CHF chart. From here, the trend is decreasing and Heikin Ashi candlesticks have cut trauma red line downwards and at the same time Supertrend displays selling signal. I enter short trade here. Let's see how it has given signals in the past. That is really superb. Signals of this strategy is super attractive. Here, another attractive signal you see. This strategy works in all currency pairs and stock exchange. Okay, dear traders, let's introduce indicators we utilized in this strategy. For the first one, search trauma here. put this indicator on the chart. Its constructor looks algo. From the settings section of trauma indicator, we change the style. We thicken this red line a bit more. From the inputs tab, change 99 to 100 and set this one on open. Let's add the second indicator to the chart. Search Supertrend here. Add this indicator to the chart. I change its settings. Please pay attention. From the Style tab, inactivate these 4 items. Set this item on below bar and this one on above bar. Then we go to the Inputs tab, keep ATR period unchanged. Increase this 3 up to 4.5 and we're done. Tradable strategy with high win rate is ready. Thanks for following me until the end of the video. If it was helpful, hit the like button and keep me encouraged. For the next video, we're preparing a full of profit strategy. Make sure you turn on the channel ring and set it on everyone. Good luck!